Right then, so today's little job is going to be replacing that, which is the reverse light switch, because for some reason our reverse light doesn't work. So first thing to do is get some spanners, get these off, and then take it from there. And so first thing to do is get these off. Always do the negative first, because then you know you've got no danger of touching any of the bodywork. And giving yourself or your tool a bat. Right, okay. First thing I want to do is grab this and stick that onto there. Okay, so there's that, which has been replaced. Okay, maybe that's not going to work. So do that, grab that, right, and then take the live off if we can. God, that live is a real pain in the arse. Right, and then battery out. Put it down there. Then we've got a battery box. Stick that over there. Push that back. Take the battery box out. Right then. Now I'm gonna adjust the camera so you can see. Now I'm hoping I can put that in there like so, and then train the camera down. Right, okie dokie then. So where are you, you little bastard? It's here somewhere, I know it is. Oh, there it is. Oh. Right, okie dokie then. So, right, the biggest issue is, of course, that the fucking thing's just there. Right, oh, shit. Fucking dogs. Right, I might just be able to get down to there. Where the fuck? Oh, there it is. Right, okay. What a bastard to get to. Because it's right where that fucking live cable is, which is a real pain in the arse. Right, okie dokie. So, which way do you go? I mean, Ken managed to get this off. No problems. And if he can do it, why can't I? There we go. There's that. Now, can we get a 22mm spanner in there? I'm not convinced. Right, let's have a look. Right. So, where are you? Right then, I'll just train the camera on directly. So, let's have a look. I mean, this thing is near good as a camera, but it is some good as a light. Now, I don't know whether I can actually get in there or not with this spanner. Whoops. God. Right. Hopefully I can. Right, let's tuck that there. Now, let's have a look. I mean, that's right, but I can't get onto the fucking thing. There, it's moved a little bit. There we go. Now, there we is. Cool. Now, well, that definitely works. Right, you may hear a beep in a second. And again, you may not. Yeah, it's definitely the switch that's gone. Because it's not giving good continuity. Right, now